Welcome to the second in a series of video modules for the Consumer Products Reporting Tool, or CPRT, the data collection tool for the 2013 Consumer and Commercial Products Survey. This module covers the Responsible Party, Formulator, and Fragrance Formulator data entry screens. To begin entering the Responsible Party information, click on the Enter Import Data button on the main screen. Then click on the Responsible Party button. The data entry page must be completed by each responsible party. See the survey instructions for the definition of a responsible party. If necessary, check the box at the top of the form to designate this page as confidential. Then enter the company and survey contact information at the top of the form. Next to Type of Business, check boxes that describe the types of businesses conducted by the responsible party: manufacturer, marketer, retailer, distributor, or contract packager. Describe the company's type of business in other type of business entry box if needed. Select the range of gross income that best identifies the gross annual receipts generated by the responsible party worldwide for the calendar year 2013 from the drop-down menu. Select the ranges which apply for a number of employees worldwide and for California only. Include part-time and temporary staff and prorate to full-time positions as needed. Repeat selections for the number of contract employees. For the NAICS code selection, select the primary code from the drop-down menu that applies to the responsible party for the products covered by this survey. Select secondary and tertiary codes if needed. For more information about NAICS codes, see Appendix B. The next four checkboxes are important for completing the survey regardless of whether data is entered manually or imported. See the survey instructions for more information regarding grouping criteria, formulation, and fragrance data provided by a third party and dilutable products. Complete the last block of the form to provide data for the parent company of the responsible party, if applicable. Click Save and Close to continue to the Enter Import menu. The checked box for third-party formulations on the responsible party screen will activate the Formulator button on the next screen. Checking this box will bring up the Formulator contact information form. Check the box at the top of the form to designate this page as confidential. If the responsible party does not hold the formulation information, then Formulator contact information must be provided. The contact information will only need to be entered once and will be available as a drop-down selection for use in the product grouping and product formulation sections. This information is required prior to entering product information, and so the information has been entered for the formulator. If the responsible party is also a formulator, select Self from the drop-down list and enter the contact information for your company. This contact information may be the same as your contact on the responsible party page. If your company is in the aerosol coatings products or aerosol adhesive sectors, choose NR, meaning not required, in the drop-down menu. Then click on the Save Add button. The information saved for each formulator can be seen by selecting one of the drop-down menus of the Edit Select line. Click the Save and Close button to return to the Enter Import menu. Now click the Fragrance Formulator button. This section is active because the box for some or all products contain fragrances was checked in the Responsible Party section. Check the box at the top of the form to designate this page as confidential. If the responsible party does not hold the fragrance ingredient information, the fragrance formulator will submit the information. Enter contact information for each formulator. This information is required prior to entering fragrance product information. When all contact information has been entered, click the Save Add button. The contact information can now be seen by clicking on the fragrance formulator company name from the drop-down menu next to Edit Select. When all fragrance formulator's contact information has been added, click the Save Close button. Now I will go back to the main menu. The next module will cover product grouping criteria and how to add product groups in the CPRT. If you do not plan to group your products, please continue on to Module 4 or 5, entering product information.